I'm Andrew with 5 Star Doors. I'm proud to work for a company that's been in business since 1990. We're an employee-based business, so that means that we use no subcontractors. We're licensed and we're insured. All of our employees have gone through background checks for your security. Their attire and service vehicles are labeled to be easily identified. We only use quality products: Safeway and Amar garage doors, Chamberlain LiftMaster openers, and Service Spring hardware. And we keep all of these parts here in stock. For 28 years, we've been servicing the Detroit metro area, and we're experts with insurance work. From that small job to that large custom job, we can create what's best for you and your home. Google, Yelp, Angie's List, and Home Advisor have all given us 5 stars. Professionalism doesn't come easy, but quality comes from experience. Please visit our website or call for additional information. And please like and subscribe to our videos.